Welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, today we're making some fully loaded banana bread muffins and a bread loaf on the side. Very healthy, tasty, and easy to make. I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Appreciate the love and support. For my new supporters, thank you guys so much for coming on board. So let's head straight to the kitchen. Here's a run through of my ingredients. Here I have some ripe bananas, already peeled, all-purpose flour, sugar, you can use brown sugar too, salt, and those are some pumpkin seeds. And here I have a bowl with some mixed nuts. The mixed nuts consist of walnut, pecan, cashew, almond, and here I have some raisins. I'm using the white and the brown. And I'm also going to use 2 eggs and my vanilla sugar. Those are optional. I have vanilla, baking powder, cinnamon, and I'll put a full list in the description box below. And this is self-explanatory because I'm under the weather. So just sit back, enjoy the music, and just continue watching, guys. After combining all the ingredients, nuts and all, just pour the ingredients in your prepared pan. Try not to overmix the mixture. And for the loaf, we're going to bake that for 25 minutes. And the muffins, we bake those for 15 minutes depending on your oven temperature. So just keep on watching, guys. And if it's the first time you're coming on board and by accident you came across my video, please tap the subscribe button and join the family. And another thing, please put your notification bell on so you won't miss another video. Very moist, and the smell in my kitchen, wow. These are perfect snack idea, breakfast idea, or whichever time of the day idea to snack on. Okay, you can make this one, add whatever you choose to add to it, guys. You know, banana bread go with anything. Yes, and just make it your own. This is my way of my loaded banana bread, and I hope you guys will test it out. And as I mentioned earlier, I appreciate the love and support from each and every one of you guys. So thank you guys so much for always coming back and watching my videos. Much respect. So here we have come to the end of the video. Please subscribe for more. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.